let's practice cursive writing. The names of different kinds of trees. What are trees? Huge trees that give us fruit and shade. Now, there's a huge tree that has got roots hanging from its branches. What do you call that? Banyan. Banyan. Banyan tree. Banyan tree grows very huge. It gives shade. You can rest under it and feel cool. And what do birds do? They make nests in it. Let's write banyan. B A N Y A N. Banyan. Banyan tree. Let's write the B capital. B A N Y A N. Banyan tree. Next, what's that lovely fruit you like to eat? Longish fruit, orange inside, lots of seeds in it. A tall, thin tree, a very weak tree. Papaya, very tasty fruit. Papaya tree. Spell papaya. 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 Yes, it's a very interesting fruit. P A P A Y A. Papaya. Most children love papaya, yes? And it's got hundreds of seeds in it. Third, let's write the P capital. P A P A Y A. Papaya. There is a tall tree that gives you fruit. You can drink it water, eat the kernel. Every part of the tree is very useful. It's very tall. What is the name? Coconut tree. Coconut trees are very tall. Birds will, especially crows, build nest in it. Fruit can be eaten when it is tender. Drink water, the kernel useful. Every part of the, not only the wood, even the leaves are useful. Let's write coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut tree. Let's write the C capital. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut tree. Now, summertime. You'll have to eat mango. Yes? Mangoes, you can eat green mango, but the ripe mango is very delicious, pulpy. Mango tree. Spell mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. All of you like mango? Yes. Mango is a lovely fruit. M-A-N-G-O. Mango tree. Let's write the M capital. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Let's look at the four trees we've written. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. And mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. All of us love to eat apples, yes? Now, the apples grow on huge trees and they look beautiful when the tree is full of apples. Let's spell apple A-P-P-L-E, apple. Let's write A, P, P, L, E, apple. Let's write A capital. A, P, P, L, E, apple. Now, peepal tree. It's a forest tree and it gives lot of shade. Spell P-E-E-P-L-E, peepal tree. It grows huge and gives shade too. Let's write peepal. E, E, P, A, L, peepal tree. Let's write the P capital. P, E, A, L, peepal tree. Next, banana. There are different colors of banana. There are red ones, yellow ones, green ones, but all are delicious. Every part of a banana tree, the fruit, the flower, the stem, all useful. Even the leaves are made good use of. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Let's write B-A-N-A-N-A, banana tree. Let's write the B capital. B A N A N A, banana tree. Most people, when somebody is sick, they use some leaves to put it in front of the house. Neem, it's a medicinal tree. N E E M. And this is a tree that gives shade. The leaves are very useful for medicinal purpose. Let's write N E E M, neem. Let's write the capital N E E M, neem. Let's look at the four trees. Look at the spelling. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apple tree. Peepal tree, P-E-E-P-A-L, peepal tree. Banana tree, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana tree. And neem tree, N-E-E-M, neem. Hi children, let's take another set of trees. Now all of us like some lemon juice. Yes, on a hot summer day, you drink lemon juice. Now the lemon tree is a very pretty tree full of lemon and you get shade underneath. The fruit is delicious. Yes, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Let's write L E M O N, lemon. Let's write L capital. L E M O N. Lemon tree gives us lots of lemon. There's another fruit with full seeds inside, sometimes white, sometimes pink. What fruit is that? Guava. It's full of vitamins. G-U-A-V-A, guava tree. Let's write Chi, U, A, V, A, guava. Let's write the chi capital. Chi, U, A, B, A, guava tree. There are different types. There are tiny ones and huge ones. There are full seeds in it too. Next, there is a tree that hangs all the time. The leaves hang in long, soft ones, and they call it a willow tree. When you cry, you put your head down. Yes, the willow tree got its name like that. Willow, Willow, willow tree. All the leaves will be hanging down. Let's write W I L L O W, willow. Let's add the W capital. W I L L O W, willow, willow tree. There's another tree. There are two types of the same, and it has the same name, Ashoka tree. Some are normal, it has branches, long leaves. There are some Ashoka trees, they simply grow tall, all the leaves point toward the earth. It'll be very tall and very pretty to look at. Ashoka tree, spelling Ashoka, Ashoka tree. Ashoka trees are of two types. Yes, tall type and also normal type. Let's write A, S, H, O, K, A, Ashoka. Let's write A capital, A, S, H, O, K, A, Ashoka tree. Now let's look at the four trees that we have here. Lemon, 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 guava, 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 willow, 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 and Ashoka, Ashoka, Ashoka. Let us take another set of trees. Now, oak. There are different type of oak trees, silver oak and whatnot. Now, the silver oak tree gets its name because on the leaves are soft, very decorative looking, and it will have a silvery tint on it. These trees are grown mostly in cold places. Oak, O-A-K, oak, and these are beautiful looking trees. Let's write O, A, O, A, K, oak tree. Let's write the O capital, O, A, K, oak tree. Lovely looking tree there. Next is maple tree. Again, these are cold places it grows. Maple tree, M-A-P-L-E, maple. M-A-P-L-E, maple. M-A-P-L-E, maple. Let's write M capital. M A P L E, maple tree. Next is palm tree. You get from the palm, you get fruit, and that can be made into palm sugar. It's a lovely fruit. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm. P A palm tree. Let's write the P capital. P A L M, palm. Next is pine tree. Pine trees are grown in cold places on the hillside, mountainside. It needs only very little water too. Most of the time, the pine trees are grown for the sake of the wood. Firewood, some people use it for construction too. Pine, P-I-N-E, pine. It gets its name because all the leaves are straight, thin. In cold places, when it becomes very cold, the tree will always be bare, no leaf at all. Let's write P-I-N-E, pine. P-I-N-E, pine. Let's write P capital, P-I-N-E, pine. Let's look at the 4 trees we have written. Oak tree, O-A-K, oak. Maple tree, M-A-P-L-E, maple. Palm tree, P-A-L-M, palm. And pine tree, P-I-N-E, pine.